Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and now I have my unboxing and first impressions of the last case and set of accessories that I got for the iPhone 15 Plus. As always, if this video piques your interest, all the links to everything that I talk about will be available down below in the video description, whether that be extended coverage or affiliated buy links. If your interest is piqued and you would like to know where you can pick up everything talked about in today's video, or see additional coverage on it, or see additional coverage on the main device itself, the iPhone 15, or any or all of my other recommended coverage, all of those links will be available down below in the video description. And as the name implies, down below in the video description will contain affiliate buy links. And if you guys and gals decide to make your purchase using those affiliate buy links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So that makes the affiliate buy links a win-win for everyone in my opinion, and that makes the video description a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Recording the video here today, I am using the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. Today's video is being recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up, and I am using my professional studio lights here today. So please, as always, let me know what you guys and gals think of the overall video quality, the overall audio quality, and the overall lighting down below in the comments. As always, all of your feedback is greatly appreciated, but remember to keep it respectful, please. Alright, let's dive into today's video. Let's go. And just so everyone knows, I've already done the camera lens protection install off camera. Okay, I didn't want to bore y'all with that, and I didn't want y'all to see all the struggles on camera, so I did that off camera previously to recording this portion of the video. Now, what I like about the camera lens protectors, I'm gonna tell you off the jump, is they have one where it has a ring around the cameras and the microphone holes and flash holes are open, and then they have another one where it just has a ring around the cameras and the mics, and the cameras themselves are open. So that's the one that I decided to put on. So you can see the only thing that has a black ring around it is the microphone hole and the flash. The cameras are wide open. And that's different from the ones that I had on previously where the cameras had a black ring around it. Also, what I like about the camera lens protectors is it has like a deep indentated cavity. It just doesn't rest over the cameras and microphones. It's like indentated, okay? So you got a nice cavity that has a little extra layer of protection for your cameras, your flash, and your microphones. Really, really nice. I do like the fact that they incorporated both sets, a microphone ring and a camera ring. I like that. The other one that I picked up just had blacked out cameras, okay? So I do like the ability to choose there. But I don't like the fact that we only got two, as opposed to the other pack, we got 3 of each, okay? And this, even though I bought everything together, if you talk about this pack by itself, because these 3 accessories came together, even though everything was supposed to come together, the other set similar to this came up to like, I believe it was roughly $6, and you got everything. You got the screen protectors, you got the camera lens protectors, and then you just had to get the case separately. This one, you had to get everything separately. So the case, the camera lens protectors, and the screen protectors, and this one came up to about $24 altogether, okay, before taxes. But in regards to the screen protectors, these are privacy screen protector, so it's like tinted, and you can only really see it if you're looking directly at your device. If anybody's looking at your device from an off angle, they won't be able to see what you're looking at, and I like that. But I'm not going to take off the screen protector I already have on it just to put that one on it, especially because I really like the screen protector that I have on the device already. Now, if this screen protector breaks, I will swap it out and put the privacy screen protector on. Also, I don't want to put the privacy screen protector on because I don't want to mess up the potential view for the cameras. I want y'all to be able to see everything in its full glory when I record these videos, and I don't want the privacy screen protector to potentially mess up your guys and gals view. Okay, so I just wanted to let y'all see everything as it came together, even though everything was supposed to come together on one big package, but it is what it is. Shipping mistakes happen sometimes. These things happen. Let me drop the rest of this stuff off to the side. Now let's talk about and unbox this case. And y'all already know, you had to see it. You had to see it. This is like a staple case for the channel. Any device that I plan on keeping long term, I get one of these faux carbon fiber cases. This is my favorite style of case. Okay, I have one for my Pixel, I have one for my other iPhone, so I had to get one for this iPhone, and hell, I even got something similar for my Moto Edge 2020. Any device that I plan on keeping long term, when you see this case coverage, that means that device is sticking around. So y'all know I had to pick this case up, right? But let's unbox it. Let's slap it on the device. Let me give y'all my first impressions. First impressions of the packaging. I really like it. Very minimalistic, very straightforward. Hopefully it's easy open as well, because y'all know I want minimal struggles on camera. So hopefully it's easy open. But very nice packaging here. Okay. Doesn't look like we have an included screen protector on this one, but that's okay. Alright, let's open them up. Okay, yep. Easy open pull tab. I like to see that. Minimal struggles here. So sliding this out. Boom. Throw this off to the side. Take that filler out. Bam. And here's the case. And this should look very similar to another case that I covered. If my Pixel wasn't on the charger, I would show y'all how this is pretty much the same as the Pixel case that I have for my Pixel 6a. But look at the inside. Shock absorption diamond pattern here. Okay. Really nice cutouts for the cameras. Fully protected buttons. Nice cutout for our mute slider. Okay. Got all the cutouts for our cameras, our charging port, our microphones, and our speaker. And then check out the faux carbon fiber look on the back. I love this look. That brushed look in the middle, and then the faux carbon fiber strips up at the top and the bottom. I love that look. Okay? Really nice. Really nice texture on the back as well. Alright, let's slap it on the device. So let me give my device a quick wipe down here. And then we'll get into the first impressions. Okay. Boy, this device has been popping in and out of cases, man. He probably, if he could talk, he'd be like, bro, we doing another one? Yeah, we doing another one, bro. We doing another one? Yeah, we doing another one, bro. He's like, man, you changing phone cases like you changing outfits, bro. Yeah, bro. It is what it is, bro. It is what it is. Alright. So we got the device wiped down. Let's go ahead and drop it on. See how it works with compatibility for the screen protector we have and the camera lens protector. Basically perfect. Oh, I got some lint right there. I'm not liking that. Jeez. These studio lights, man, make it so you can see everything. By far the best investment I could have made for recording videos. Really nice studio lights, but damn if I don't see everything. There we go. Nice and clean now. Alright, so case on the device, first impressions time. This fits perfectly, and we still do have a nice lip around the display as well. and it's not creating any liftage for the screen protector, so that is nice. And y'all can see it fits perfectly. Check the buttons. Nice clicky buttons. Not as clicky as some of the other cases that I've tested. Wow, I really can't talk today. Sorry, everyone. But still, a nice tactile feedback. A little mushy, but still tactile. Not as clicky as some of the other cases I've taken a look at. All the precision cutouts are here. Looking good. Fully protected buttons. Nice indentated mute slider cutout. Good stuff. Cameras. Oh, well, that's not a good look. It's almost flush with the camera lens protection. It's very minimal in terms of the raised protection for the camera. I mean, it's there, but if you run your finger across, it's very, very slight. I'd be very scared to drop this because I feel like the razivity on the lens protection is very, very slight. But then again, this is kind of what happens when you get camera lens protectors with that little indentation for the cavity. So when you get those, the glass is a little bit thicker, but I kind of would have liked to seen a higher raised lip on this. And it does look kind of awkward with these two together. But we still do have full protection. And if I just so happen to drop my device back down, it should be okay. Yeah, it seems okay. And full lip protection. So if I drop it face down, it should be okay. So good stuff, good stuff. And let me, all importantly, feel in hand. Oh yes, this feels like my other iPhone now. Very nice texture. Very nice feel in hand. So first impressions of this case and the last set of accessories that I got for the iPhone 15 Plus seems to be really, really good. Now I'm going to go ahead and start my review process on this and let you guys and gals know what I think. I'm going to use this for about a week and then come back and let you guys and gals know if this case and these accessories are worth picking up. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you'd like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when new videos go live on the channel. Man, we have so much editing to do. Starting after my birthday, you guys are going to be seeing videos every Friday, and I'm going to be dropping them or adding them to the schedule for release as I finish them. So every Friday, you guys and gals will be seeing a new video published across all of my social medias and published on YouTube. And hopefully we can get through the whole year with no hiccups. Hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. Hope everyone is having a good one. And I'll catch you guys and gals on the next one. Peace, everyone. We're out of here. All right. I was waiting for this. I don't know why. This minimalistic faux carbon fiber look. I was waiting for this. Have a good one, everyone. I'll catch you guys and gals on the next one. We're out of here. Peace.